Code Blue was started last year, so this is our second year. We do 18 weeks after school from 3:20 to 4:30, and it's open to all 5th grade students, and they sign up and they come. We start each week or every 2 or 3 weeks. The kids are given a coding challenge, and they're using scratch.org, which is a block coding program that works kind of like Legos. You take little bits of code and you link them together like you would build Lego blocks, and it creates the code behind it. We have seen that in the state of Michigan and across the country that coding and being technically savvy is going to be where there's going to be the job development in the years to come. And coding is actually a systematic way of writing and problem solving and thinking. I think it's really important for our children to be challenged and to think outside the box, and coding does that for our kids.
Like, the improvement throughout the year is amazing. Like, they come in not even knowing what a computer program is. They don't even know like that there's like different programming languages or whatever. And they just make such a, over just the 18 hours of working with them, they make like it's a huge amount of growth that we see in them, and then they're excited to go home and like work on their projects at home and things like that.
And they'll come in and show us like projects that they did at home that we didn't even prompt them to do, and they're using these concepts that we taught them, and so it's really cool to see how they're taking it all in and making their own things from it.
Yeah.
There's a certain type of variables that you put together, and they'll make your little character or sprite do whatever your code says. Because I get to come here and I get to make my own games and projects on here. It's cool because what the code can do.
I'd say the most important thing we learned is actually how to do it, not learning it, how like to use the different functions and blocks and repeats. So that's what I think was the most important.
I think the most important thing to come out of Code Blue is that it's opened our eyes as teachers that this is something that should be available to all children, and that we have tried now to bring coding into our classrooms so that kids, just not in Code Blue, but all of our students get an opportunity to start working on this background.